Hi there! Welcome to our channel, Learning Languages by Listening and Practicing. Let's start.
Dialogue 2, Solar Dreams and Reality Bites. Setting: two friends, Maya and David, are relaxing on a rooftop garden overlooking a cityscape dotted with solar panels.
Isn't it amazing how many roofs have gone solar these days? Elon Musk's vision of a solar-powered future is really taking shape.
It is impressive. Solar panels are becoming more affordable, efficient, and accessible. Imagine every building generating its own clean energy.
There's something poetic about harnessing the sun's power, don't you think? Like plugging directly into the universe's energy source.
Definitely poetic, but let's not forget the practicalities. Energy storage is still a hurdle. What happens when the sun sets or clouds roll in?
True. We need reliable battery technology to bridge those gaps. But hey, Musk is also investing in that with companies like Tesla Powerwall.
Innovation is key, but so is scalability. Can solar alone power entire countries, especially those with less sunshine? What about developing nations with limited resources?
You raise valid points. Solar might not be the sole solution, but it's a crucial piece of the puzzle. Combining it with wind, geothermal, and other renewables could create a diversified energy mix.
Agreed. And Musk's companies are pushing boundaries there too, like Starlink providing internet access from space. It's all about interconnected solutions.
But let's not downplay the challenges. We need more than just technology. We need policy changes, education, and a global shift in how we think about energy consumption.
Definitely. We can't rely solely on tech billionaires to solve the world's problems. We all have a role to play, from adopting sustainable practices to holding our leaders accountable.
Maybe Elon Musk's vision is ambitious, even utopian. But even if we don't reach his solartopia, striving for it can lead us to a brighter, cleaner future.
As long as we remember, it's a collective journey, not a one-man show. With that in mind, let's enjoy the sunset, knowing that even the smallest light can contribute to a brighter tomorrow.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and follow our next videos.